Uy, long.
Oh! Di ba nakirat?
De, we will prevail.
Narinig niya.
Ay, lang.
Meron na silang flashlight. Okay. I'll try to open it. No, this shit is locked, bro. What the hell?
Oo eh.
Walked right into the trap. He literally walked right into the trap.
Oo.
Nothing there.
Oo.
Meron something dyan, wala.
Wala. Uy, what the? Upside down. Wala, baka may susi. Tignan mo nga.
Pero baka naiwan niya.
Wala kasi tayong kwan eh. Wala tayong paa. Hindi tayo makatalon. Trip mo, pumasok sa facility.
Doon? Tak, mo pre, hindi mo hinintay. Are you still there?
Yeah?
I can't see you anymore.
Sa gitna sila.
Ah, you took the right.
Kita mo ako.
Ay, oo, kita ko.
Oo. Kitang-kita mo yung ilaw nila eh. Ay,
Okay, he just walked past. Okay. Tinanong ko na siya doon.
takbo na tayo.
Sa harapan natin yung dog, pre, tinan mo. He's walking away from us, though. Nope, he's walking towards us now. Wait lang. Yes, he walked to the middle.
Okay. Pero lalayan mo pag nakita niya tayo.
Ay, shit.
Wow, wait,
Bumalik, bumalik. Shit.
Ano yun?
Run!
Kunin ko yung ilaw.
It doesn't make sense.
Makakapunta ako sa ilaw, pre. Okay lang, okay lang. Isa lang naman yung mic. Ayos. Wait lang. Kailangan yata ng gunting.
I'm in the electrical room. Are you away from the dog? This is me, this is me. Ayun, talking. Meron dyan!
Oh, shit. Ooh.
Why are you running?
Ayun.
Ay.
Dog.
Help me. Run! Run for your life, Alice!
Nabuhay ka? Buhay ka? Wala, Combinator.
Baksan mo!
Heartbeat natin.
Safe! 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 Wala na missing. What the fuck? What the fuck? Bakit ako yung hinahabol palagi, pre? Hindi ko maintindihan. Every time. Every fucking time, this dog just chases after me.
Yung nakita ko ba yung aso, tinignan mo pa? Or tumakbo ka agad?
Hindi, nakita ko tumakbo na rin ako, pre. Tara,
Oh, okay.
wala. I'll check, okay? Good.
Gulat talaga yung sinabi mo may aso eh.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Go.
Two siguro.
Upper and last floors, yeah. Ayoko na, pre. Ako yung hinahabol ng aso eh. Pre, ako yung hinahabol ng aso eh. Nah, I don't trust this.
Ito yung my birthday. Wala, pre. Parang ito na yung majigigi tayo eh.
I'm not sticking around for that.
Hindi ko naman masaya. Tara.
Oh. Oy!
Ah?
Ay!
Ah!
Ay, napalag pre.
Ay!
Okay.
Nakikita mo yung level?
This is too stressful, man. Level 2? Oh, no, no, no,
Nakikita,
no.
alam mo yung nakikita natin doon sa call?
Saan